Every now and again in Lidl, they have this special offer where they have like fishing rods come in. So I saw this fishing kit with a lure and everything. It's collapsible. It's a great option and it's cheaper than the Amazon equivalent. In this video, I'm going to show you, is it any good? Should you buy it? Just keep in mind you'll need a rod license if you want to be fishing in the UK. So on Amazon, that's what you got. In Lidl, it's about £25, so it's cheap. Here's my first catch. I was surprised actually to catch without any prior knowledge realistically. I do a bit of pole fishing, but nothing like this lure fishing. The rod itself, it's easy to pull out. It's like collapsible, so it goes very small. It seems like a good build quality. I have a previous one which I do float fishing with, and this you'll see it's got a little screw on the side so you can actually fold down the handle for better storage. It's got everything comes with it. The first one I bought was the last one in Lidl, so it actually didn't have the lure pack. So like you get these extra fake fishes that come in a little container. So I took it to a local canal, gave it a quick test, and you'll see this is my old fishing rod. It's a lot longer. This one from Lidl is smaller, but I feel like it's smaller but it's better. It's lighter, and for this type of casting it's a little bit lighter, so you're constantly casting out. And how it works is it's got this little silver disc on the, it's not actually any worms or anything, so as you put it through the water it spins, and that spinning attracts fishes. So the fishes that like to, the predator fishes that like to eat other small fishes, will actually chase that. And you'll notice in my first one, I'll show you a little clip of this live. Like I literally set up and I got one. I was surprised that I got one. It's not a big fish, but it's a small fish. It's a little perch, and you'll notice the way they hit it, they actually have a treble hook. The little one already comes set up. So this is exactly how it came out of the packet. I just took it out and started fishing with it. I didn't do any fancy setting up, any fancy learning knots, any numbers or anything. So I've seen a lot of videos and people are wearing the same branded t-shirts as the rods they're talking about, and they get very complicated and they try and make it more complicated than it needs to be. And they have lots and lots of these little fake fishes. They collect them like they collect Pokemon cards. So I don't think it needs to be that complicated. Just go out fishing, you'll learn as you do it. Just make sure you've got pliers, because these fish will bite onto this and you want to be able to take those hooks out of their mouths to release them safely. And the pliers will help you do that. If you follow it in the way that the curve of the anchor is in their mouth, you'll get it out. So here's it came out of my hand, so it went. So I'm basically real life situation here. Just go. I'll give you an overview of how it feels. The rod is nice. I catch a lot of weeds in a pond. It's got a good amount of pull on it, so you can actually pull. If you get snagged on something, I was able to pull without ripping it, so it has like the line was like strong enough. I bought some extra line and extra stuff as well. I did find myself doing this. If you notice what's happened here, it went around the spool, and I think I did something wrong, but as you learn it, you'll figure out what to do. Watch a couple of videos of beginner casting, and that'll give you an idea. But anything where they talk about lures and fancy knots and all this stuff, I think is unnecessary at the moment. Get a couple of small lures. The smaller the lure, what I mean by lure is basically a fake fish that you're using as a bait. So something small will get you small fish to big fish. I don't really, anything I catch is a bonus, so I'm not really worried about catching big fish. So in the first set I bought, it was actually, I think someone opened it and messed about with it, and all the stuff was not in the container, in the bag. So then I ended up going back to Lidl and returning it. They didn't have any more, so I had to go to a further away Lidl where they had a few more. You'll notice there's a couple of bags here, and that is travel ones as well. So the travel ones are just the individual rods and reels. They're about £15. They're even smaller. They've got the big carp style, and they've got these. This is the one I got. And you notice in this one, they have a little plastic container which has lures in there. The one I got did not have that. So I had to return that and said, well, I don't know what's going on. But the last one you had, so I'll need to return it. No problems. They returned in Lidl. And I had a quick look around to see what else was there. Like little fishing tent shelters and a lot of fishing stuff, nets and things. So yeah, just have a good look around, see what you think is good. And you'll see here, this is how I got it when I got back. So I actually got the rod out, and it was already lined up. It was ready to go out. You just take the plastic stuff off, and overall I recommend it. The Amazon one, there's like a one from a Fide brand or something, and it's very similar to this, but it's about £50, £49, £52, and I feel like this one is better. It feels like a nice option because it's cheaper. I was able to pick it up, and it's got the guarantee with it, so you can actually go back to Lidl and take it back with your receipt, and no arguments basically. They'll exchange or refund it. So here's a clip of me doing the actual one take fish catch. So you'll notice I took the fish rod out, set the camera up, and I did a little comparison to show you the other size of the other one, and then I started just and what I did, I just casted it into the water. I didn't let it hit the floor. I just gave the line a few jolts. So as I was jolting the line, like basically reeling the line back in, stopping a little bit, reeling it back in, stopping a little bit, and it didn't take it in the main water, but as I was about to come out of the water, it just snapped at it and it took it. So I was like, okay, well, okay, this does work. Then they see that there, that was a snap it took, and yeah, I'm quite surprised that I was able to catch one that quickly. Overall, the little small fishing rod for lure fishing, definitely a great starter option. Get yourself one, have a bit of a play with it, and it feels like a well-built quality. You get some extra lures in the box, which you would have saw me talk about earlier. A couple of little fishes, a little plastic rubbery ones, and a little pliers as well. Make sure you take that along with you so you can free the fish when you catch some. Good luck, and pick yourself up and have some fun.